Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. As you all know that my channel deals only with the topics of biology. So today's topic is algae. We all know that how algae reproduces, how its way of nutrition how is it harmful for us or beneficial for us, how does it improves our environment or how it's eco-friendly or not. So everything we will know about the algae. And if you like the video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for the latest video. And if you have any doubt related to the topic, please comment me in the comment section. Definitely I will try to sort out that. And if you have any extra knowledge related to the topic, then please note it down also so that I can gain some more knowledge on this topic for the next videos. And thanks for the support, your cooperation. And nowadays I think I'm going in a good flow, so the whole credit goes to you. Thank you so much. So without doing any delay, let's start the topic. Please continue with me till the end.
Getting interacted with the topic algae, firstly we must have to know that what's the study of algae is called. So the study of algae is called phycology. What algae are? So these are the green seeds like mosses floating on the surface of stagnant water or on the side of the tanks. You must have seen them during the rainy season or in some ponds it covered over it. So algae are the plant-like organism and contains chlorophyll. Algae are also called the grass of water. Diatoms are the unicellular algae form free or in groups. Each cell is made up of two subunits, just like they contains a brown pigment in addition to chlorophyll. So algae are what? Algae contains chlorophyll. The algae which completes their life cycle in free floating size are known as the phytoplanktons. So now the next one we must have to know about the habitats of the algae. So algae grows in the aquatic habitat and moist places such as the bank of trees, moist soils, rock surface, etc. Size and shape. So the size of the algae vary from 1 micron for microscopic algae to several meters for seaweeds. So the single-celled algae can be spherical, rod-like and spindle-shaped. The multicellular algae have more complex structure. And what's about the color? So it is of different colors, such as the algae occurs in many different colors. The colors of the algae is due to the pigment present in it. Algae are classified on the basis of their colors, such as blue-green algae, in which the examples are Anavena or Nostoc. You must have seen them. And the second type is green algae, in which Spirogera, Chlamydomonas are the examples. And the next one is brown algae, Fucus. You must have seen it also. And the last one is the red algae, Polysiphonia is the example of that. And these all categories are the important pigments which gives the color to the algae and make it attractful. So next one we must have to know about the structure, that what type of structure algae have. So algae occurs both in unicellular and multicellular structure. Chlamydomonas and diatoms are the unicellular algae. Spirogera, Anabena, Nostoc are the multicellular one. Some algae from colonies consisting or some are the identicals or different cells. So the way of reproduction of algae are asexual and sexual both. Beneficial algae have some features, just like many blue-green algae are used as the fertilizers because of their ability to fix their atmospheric nitrogen. Algae are also used the indirect source of organic food for the fishes and sea animals. Many algae are used directly as a food for human beings also. For example, in Japan and China, edible food is obtained from the brown algae, seaweeds. Algae and seaweeds are rich in source of vitamins and minerals. So, agar-agar, which is used in the manufacturing of jellies, cosmetics, is obtaining from the red algae. So algae obtained from the brown in preparation of ice creams also. Algae are very valuable source of oxygen. Algae releases oxygen in the atmosphere during the photosynthesis, and you all know one thing, that the brown algae are good source of iodine and potassium. The cell wall of the algae diatoms contains silica. The diatoms earth obtained from the ocean beds is used for making the filters and special kind of glasses or porcelains. And these are the useful sides, yani useful faces of the algae. And next one, what we see, the harmful face of the algae. So some algae are harmful also, such that the growth of the algae in ponds, lakes, and the lower level of dissolved oxygen in the water, they may causes death of the aquatic plants and animals in the water bodies, because they cover the upper layer of the water, so that the atmospheric oxygen can't be reached towards the bottom of the pond. So the respiratory process becomes hurdled by this algae. Some algae such as the Crococcus or Oscillatoria produces poisonous toxin in water, making it unfit for drinking by animals and human beings also. And the algae's growth on damp fabric destroy the fabrics. So these are the harmful effects of the algae. Let's have the quick review of this topic, that what we have learned from this whole topic. So the first point is, algae are the plant-like organism containing chlorophyll. The second one is, algae grow in the aquatic habitat and moist places. The third one is, the single-celled algae can be spherical, rod-like, and spindle-shaped. The fourth point is, the color of an algae is due to the pigment present in it. The fifth one is, some algae are used directly as food. Many blue-green algae are used as a fertilizers also. And the last and the important point is, the algae such as Crococcus and oscillator produces the poisonous toxin in water. So friends, this is all about the topic of today. Kindly I request you again that please, if you like this video, then please press the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe my channel, and don't forget